Hey guys, I'm gonna do a little unboxing video of, this Milwaukee special buy ratchet. It's a ratchet and a screwdriver. Not sure what the point of these kind of screwdrivers are, but let's check it out. Alright, got the Milwaukee box cutter ready to go, and we'll get this thing open right easy. And one thing I didn't like, they just delivered it in this box, so they just put it on the porch with this box, which so you can see easily what it is if you're passing by. Oof, free tool, so I didn't really like that, but let's go ahead. I'm gonna open it. Let's see what's inside. Alright, got it out of the box. Looks like it's a nice little bag. I have a couple of these. I must have bought the same kind of special buy thing. Is that why? Did they all come in these kind of bags? I feel like they do. I have a couple of them. Alright, we got one key, customized track manager. I don't know what the deal is. I don't know what this is about. We got the manual for the ratchet. I feel like they should just have the online version. Just give me a QR code to the online. I never know what to do with them. Save them, toss them. Battery charger. I have like 3 of those now. The regular lithium 1.5 battery. One battery. Here's the screwdriver. Smaller, lightweight, as they said. So I guess that's the advantage, just smaller, lightweight. I don't know, it just seems like if you have the M12 driver, regular driver, I don't really see too much of the point, but maybe you guys can let me know what the advantages are of that. Here's the ratchet. Ooh, pretty nice. There's the little switch. Alright. Alright, so we got the nice little bag. What's this? For the screwdriver. Alright. Fair enough. Okay. Little bag. The ratchet. Battery. Pretty simple. Pretty standard looking stuff. Pretty nice. Mainly bought this for this ratchet. I think I can get some use out of that. Alright, that's it guys. And so that's the holiday buy for these tools. A battery charger, a battery, screwdriver, and the Milwaukee ratchet. Alright, see you guys later.